Hi, I'm Carmen Geddes and welcome to 10 Sisters TV. I just want to show you a little demo on sewing these easy piecing panels together. And so I want to show you that I've got two sections that are all sewn up. This one is actually two panels, and I have fused these two panels together while I was ironing the squares down. And so this is just one section. And then this is one completed panel. So those seams are sewn in both directions. Just as a quick little note, I made sure that I'm sewing the seams in the same direction first. So what that means is on this quilt, I'm sewing all of these short seams first, and then sewing the long seams, so that when it's time to put these right sides together, and I pressed all my seam allowances going opposite directions, that when I put these together, these seams are going to nest. And that's what we want. What we want are for these to all match up beautifully in the end. Now you've kind of got a little bit of a choice. We can pin this together as we go down. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to start piecing and then just make sure that I'm matching up each seam allowance. And so when I'm sewing these together, I'm going to use 1/4" piecing foot. We want to try to keep these seam allowances consistent. I kind of like when it stops with the needle in the down position, and then as I go, I'm just making sure that I am nesting those seams. And these squares are fairly close together because I started out with 2-inch cut squares, and now these are going to finish at 1.5 inch. So let me just continue sewing down to the end. Matching up, nesting these seam allowances as I go. Can you tell that I don't really like to pin? I do if I think it's going to be helpful and if I need to, because I do want this to turn out accurate. My most important thing is matching up raw edges, nesting these seam allowances as best I can. You know, I'm backing up to the process. This is why I really like fusing panels together, because when those panels are fused together before I sew, then I know they're going to match up perfectly. But this is all about managing your quilt. You know, how big of a section do you want to be piecing at one time? So last square, matching those raw edges, and then I do want to do a little back stitch at the end. And so awesome. So now let's see how I did. See, I think those matched up really nicely. See if you can kind of see that a little bit. So yeah, so basically what I really wanted to talk about in this quick video is that there's a lot of options. You can sew these easy piecing panels up one at a time, both directions, and then just piece them together just like this. Or if you want to eliminate some pinning between a section, then you can always fuse panels together when you're ironing your squares down. So bottom line is your quilt top has turned out beautiful. This is fun, fast, and accurate. So I hope this helps on your fun journey of quilting, and we'll see you on the next video.